In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two amplifiers without a mixer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting two amplifiers to a single audio source without a mixer primarily involves splitting the line level signal from the source before it reaches the amps. So for the method that I'm going to show you in this video, which is the most common and simplest, you will need to use a Y splitter cable like this one. So grab a Y splitter cable and you will use it for this particular method. Once you have your Y splitter cable, for the setup, you will use it on each channel of your audio's source output. So on the source left output, it is going to go through the Y splitter, and then on the left inputs of amplifier 1 and 2. And then you will do the same thing, but with the right output instead. And so the source right output will go through the Y splitter and then right inputs on amplifier 1 and amplifier 2. This is going to be the best for most consumer grade and prosumer gear. Line level outputs have a low output impedance and can generally drive the high impedance inputs of two amplifiers without significant signal loss or degradation. You can also consider using an amplifier's pass-through or line out, but I believe this method is the best. So the output goes to the Y splitter and then goes to the input of both amplifier 1 and 2. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.